Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how you can report other players in chess.com. For some reason you want to report somebody. This is actually quite simple. There are two options. You can actually just click on, if you look towards your lower left corner of the screen and click on the cogwheel or settings icon, this pop-up will appear. You can actually click on help and support, and this chat bot will appear, and you can just actually say, just click start conversation first. There you go. This is going to be their AI agent, and you can actually just type in report player. There you go. So just you can go through the chatbot, so you can report a player directly to the chess.com team. Or, for example, let's do this. I'm probably going to be reported myself, but I'm going to show you how it's done manually. So, for example, let's just look for a normal game, right? And as you can see, we already have a game, right? So how can you report somebody? Let's click on their name, like so. And then here, there's three dots. And here you can just click on report, right? And there's going to be a pop-up here. So you can choose why, or the reasons why you want to report. So abuse, how were they abusive, fair play, did they cheat, did they stall, other avatar, username spamming others, and then click on report if you want. After that, you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.